Good morning, students. I hope you are all fine. Today, might be seeing this video, will be some might be surprised that last day's homework I have not given or not done also. Today, we will start with a new chapter as some chapters are omitted from your main syllabus. What is given in the earlier before the vacation. There will be a revised syllabus, and we have to cut out some of the parts from the syllabus. The revised syllabus might be you will be getting this week only, by 1 or 2 days you will be getting. The first chapter we will be starting with today with the number system. From here you know the rule, BODMAS rule. What is the BODMAS rule? BODMAS is what? Bracket, B for bracket, O for off means multiplication, D for division, M for multiplication, and A for addition, S for subtraction. I have taken one example. Just see the question I have written over here. First you see the how many brackets are: first bracket, second bracket, and third bracket. First you go for the first bracket. First bracket is minus into minus is what? Plus. See, I have written what? 5 plus 2. Next, second bracket, you have to make the operation in the second bracket. 5 plus 2 is what? 7. Now you are coming to the third bracket. Third bracket, B for bracket, O for off. Off is not there. D for division. See, division is there. Then you have to do the division, but we cannot do the subtraction. We have to do the division. Then it's coming what? 3. 27 divided by 21 divided by 7 will be 3. Then from here, after division, it is coming multiplication is not there, addition is also not there, then subtraction. Then 5 minus 3 is what is coming? 2. Then 7 minus 2 is 5. These are the part we have done. We have always this kind of sum anywhere you do like this, always you have to follow the BODMAS rule. Next we are coming to one property, that is the commutative property. Commutative property means what? See, I have written what? This is the addition part. In addition, the commutative property is possible. See, A plus B equals to B plus A. We can write down. Why? See, 2 plus 5, 5 plus 2, the value will come always same. And for multiplication also, the value will also come. See, A into B equals to B into A. That means 3 into minus 2 and 2 into minus 3, the value will be also coming minus 6. Here is also coming, see, minus 6, here is also coming minus 6. But in case of subtraction is not possible, but in case of division is not possible. Okay. Next we are going to associative property. What is given? See, associative property, A plus in bracket B plus C equals to A plus B bracket close plus C. That means you have to follow this part. See, if the value is coming over here, see, 2 plus what will be coming? 11 coming, here also coming what? 11. That means what? For addition it's possible. Okay. Next I written what? Subtraction. Subtraction means what? See, not possible I written. See, A minus in bracket B minus C, it is not the same of these cases. For this purpose it is given what? Not equal to. Okay. Next, multiplication written what? Possible. See, A into B into C in bracket, there is a given in bracket, there is a pairing done. Here also if I do the pairing, see, 6 into 5 it will be what? 30. And same thing also, see, if I pairing this one, 3 into 5 15, 15 into 2 is what? 30. That means multiplication and addition is possible. And same thing, division is also not possible from here. So same thing I have done one question or two question I have done from the exercises. Just see what I have done. They are not following the bracket. This multiplication of the integers, you know, minus into minus is coming from that plus, and plus into minus is minus. These things you have to keep in mind. The exercise 1.1 question of 1 Roman 1 is given 6 plus 8 plus in bracket minus 12 minus in bracket minus 4. Then minus is what? Plus 2 minus plus 4. Then from here minus into plus is minus. Then I made in the all in one side the addition part. Then I have subtracted, that is coming what? 6. The same thing I have done this property. C, A into B into C. That means what? Minus 2 minus 4 minus 7. Then minus 4 minus into 7, what is coming? The value is coming 28 plus 28, and 28 into minus 2 is coming what? Minus 56. Okay. I have given some homework also from here. The homework is given 1 Roman 3 Roman 4 and 3 Roman 3 Roman 4 and 2 Roman 3 Roman 4. All these things you note it down in your copy, and after noting down you go through the properties properly, and you can go through the examples from your book also. the book also from here. Then and the last thing is that until you know the properties, you will not be able to do the sums also. Okay, and Bodmer's rule, you go through the Bodmer's rule very properly. I hope you will be good and you have understood the questions. All the problem is not there, I think so. Okay, have a nice day. Goodbye.